Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, March 21st. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, shelf. Number 2, to look up to, somebody. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The plant is on the shelf. The plant is on the shelf. Shelf. The green thing is the plant on the shelf. Now we can make a flashcard for shelf. This is an irregular plural. Please repeat. 1 shelf. 2 shelves. We change the F to a V. Please write this on your card. Please make a card like this. Write shelf up here in the top left corner. S-H-E-L-F. And the plural, 2 shelves, or 3 or 5. If it's more than 1. Down here, KIT 1. This means kitchen, level 1. And over here the number 40 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Shelf. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer looks up to her mother. Jennifer looks up to her mother. Looks up to. Please look in your dictionary for this word. It means to respect somebody. Jennifer looks up to her mother. Now we can make a flashcard for look up to. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To look up to somebody. Down here, VID 1. This means verb idiom, level 1. Over here, the number 49 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Look up to. Look up to. Game over. You did really well today. The plant is on the shelf. Very good. Number 2, I look up to my parents. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. The verb is to discover something, and the noun, a discovery. Very good. Number 2, a body part. Stomach with an M. And the CH we pronounce like a K. stomach. And number 3, to grab, is like this. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card. Our program is all rotating. Join anytime.